As home fitness continues to rise, the demand for affordable, reliable exercise bikes that fit into small spaces has surged. Under $300, buyers commonly trade premium polish for essential reliability, quiet operation, and meaningful features like magnetic resistance, adjustable seating, and app compatibility. List number 1. Exercise bike. The SLUN SE 509C model is a heavy-duty magnetic resistance bike with a claimed 350-pound weight capacity, 100 micro-adjustable resistance levels, and app compatibility for Zwift and Canoma Map. Its 59.5 pounds stated weight and robust aluminum steel construction aim to deliver stability and durability, while the 35-pound flywheel suggests strong inertia for a smooth pedal feel. The design emphasizes a tall, ergonomic frame with a two-way adjustable handlebar and four-way adjustable seat to accommodate riders from about 4 feet 8 to 6 feet 1, plus an adjustable tablet holder and water bottle compatibility for a more connected workout experience. Key differentiators include maintenance-free magnetic resistance and a belt drive-like quietness profile reported at around 25 dB, as well as a 100-level micro-adjustment control that spans flat to hill-like resistance without needing frequent pad replacements. Performance-wise, the combination of a thickened steel and aluminum frame and 35-pound flywheel should deliver solid momentum, especially for mid to high-intensity sessions. The 100-step magnetic resistance with an emergency brake provides fine-grained progression, which is beneficial for gradual progression and interval training. App compatibility is a compelling value proposition for users seeking interactive workouts and social motivation.
Number 2. Exercise bike. Wenneker's CC306 embodies a magnetic resistance system with an emphasis on quiet operation and stability, aided by an inertia-enhanced flywheel and ABS belt pulley. It includes a tablet holder, water bottle holder, and a front transport wheel design for easier mobility. The spec emphasizes a 350-pound weight capacity, 100 resistance levels, and a heavy-duty aluminum frame with an upgraded felt pad brake to minimize noise and extend component life. It targets users who want an all-around home cycling experience with app compatibility and a clean aesthetic suitable for shared living spaces. In practice, the bike's quiet operation and stable ride stem from the inertia-enhanced flywheel and robust bearings, reducing belt-related issues common on cheaper models. The built-in display and app compatibility are appealing for structured workouts, but the ecosystem quality can depend on app availability and updates. For potential buyers, note that the 60-pound package weight and dimension footprint suggest a sturdy but relatively bulky machine, which is important for transport and storage planning. Overall, it's a solid home bike with app integration for a competitive price.
List number 3. Exercise bikes for home. iSun markets a belt drive, friction-based resistance system with a focus on a compact, family-friendly design. It supports up to 330-pound weight capacity and features a 9-pound flywheel, multi-grip handlebar, 3-way adjustable handlebar, and a 5-way padded seat tuned for a range of inseams, roughly 25 to 35 inches, making it accessible to a broad user base. The unit includes dual bottle holders, built-in transport wheels, a tablet or phone mount, and Bluetooth-enabled tracking with an upgraded LCD monitor, plus compatibility with fitness apps like Canoma Map and Zwift via Phantom Fight app integration. The cycling experience benefits from a stable frame and a safety-oriented design, including an instant stop bar and cage pedals. The 8-level resistance is on the simpler side compared with the 100-level magnets of pricier bikes, which may be sufficient for beginner to mid workouts, but less flexible for serious interval training. While assembly is reasonable for a budget model, the combination of a mid-weight flywheel and friction-based brakes may yield more audible brake engagement than magnetics, especially as parts wear. For households prioritizing space saving and simplicity, list number 4. Yasuda Exercise Bike. The Yasuda model is a well-established, budget-friendly option, featuring a magnetic resistance system, 30-pound flywheel, and a 300-pound weight capacity. It emphasizes a smooth, quiet ride with a belt drive-like feel and adds exclusive app support with fitness courses and a tablet holder. The two-way adjustable handlebars and four-way padded seat, plus a simple assembly process and a 1-year parts replacement warranty, position it as a user-friendly entry point for newcomers or casual riders who want app-assisted workouts and guided courses. In practice, the ride quality benefits from the belt drive-like action and the 8 resistance levels, which are adequate for most home users but may limit elite or endurance-focused sessions. List number 5. Barwing Stationary Exercise Bike for Home Workout. Barwing's folding, 16-level magnetic resistance bike emphasizes space-saving design and senior-friendly usability. The foldable frame, 8-seat height, and 2-seat angle options provide versatility for different postures and comfort preferences. With a 350-pound capacity and foldable form factor, this model targets apartments or home offices where space is at a premium. The LCD console tracks essential metrics, and the front-mounted wheels facilitate relocation. A watts-friendly 16-level resistance range makes it accessible for beginners and light to moderate workouts, while the backrest option and reclined posture address back comfort concerns. Performance-wise, the lightweight 29-pound frame and foldability introduce portability at the cost of some rigidity compared with non-folding bikes. The 16 levels of magnetic resistance are adequate for most light to moderate training, but will feel less aggressive for interval work or heavier riders pushing for performance improvements. The 330 to 350 pound capacity is a strong selling point for this price tier, and the foldable design reduces footprint dramatically, which is crucial for urban dwellers. However, the fold mechanism and shorter cranks may compromise pedaling comfort, especially for taller individuals.